Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of RV Tips and Trips. Today I want to do a follow-up review on my Ancheer Mountain E Bike, which I have been riding now for about a year and a half and have put on about 600 miles. So I really enjoyed it to this point so far. Now there is a new updated version of this bike. This is the 250 watt Mountain E Bike, and it has an 8 amp hour lithium ion battery. The updated one is 500 watts and a 12 amp hour lithium ion battery. So they go about the same distance. And they do about the same speeds. The difference is, I mean, it'll go uphill a lot easier than the 250 watt model. But for me, that has not been a problem. Now let me explain something to you. The 250 watts, I've gone uphill. Of course, I have to pedal in conjunction with the e-bike assisting in it. But I'm 230 pounds. And I still get up hills real good with it. So put it in low gear, electric assist, and I get up hills that I never would get up by myself. Now the 500 watt would probably get you up the hill easier, and you might not even have to pedal, just use the throttle. So all the features are pretty much the same. The bike looks the same. It's just, like I said, more powerful motor, and as a result you need a higher amp hour battery. This one has served me well so far. It has seen a lot of weather in the year and a half. Actually, it's a little more than a year and a half since I got this. It rides on the back of the trailer. It's been left out in the rain, and so far no problem. A little bit of rust here and there, but nothing major. Has front shocks on it. Now if you want to see the full review on this, I'll put a link in the description to the original review that I did, and I drove the bike all around in that. But considering this has been all over the country in all sorts of weather, rained on, snowed on, gone through puddles, it has performed very well. Now I've had people ask questions about battery life, that they had trouble with the battery. Now I'm not a high mileage usage person. Some people use it to commute daily. I just use it to joyride and tootle around areas to explore, so it's not anything really heavy duty. But so far this is the original battery that's on here, and have not had any issues with its capacity. So far I haven't noticed it diminish at all. So it is a lithium ion battery, and if you treat it right, it should last a long time. So I never leave it in a discharged state. That's problem number one. If you do that for a long period of time, you're probably going to shorten the life of the battery. So I take it down most of the way, but not all the way as far as discharging, and then I charge it back up, and has not been a problem. I also like the way the bike looks. So it is fairly rugged. Still the original tires on it, and I get a lot of enjoyment. So definitely was worth the money, and hopefully I'll get a few more years out of it. Now I noticed the 500 watt version of this is a few $100s more. So I like the price on this one. Like I said, I feel like with 250 watts, I got enough power to get me around to where I want to go, up and down hills and all over. It's been a lot of fun. Highly recommended it. And I added this and the tail light for safety. So I have links for that too. I did replace the original seat, but I did that as soon as I got it with this nice memory foam seat. The one that comes with the bike is terribly hard, so this one is nice and cushy. So I'll definitely change the seat with something a lot more comfortable. What it comes with, that seat is just horrible. All right, so that's it for now. Oh, everything still works. So I power it up. You got the lights. Still works, and it's really, really bright. And the horn. So, but it does well. I've been on some pretty rough terrain, gone through puddles, and real happy with it. So if you've been sitting on the fence about getting one of these, definitely do it. If you got bad knees, my knees bother me, but riding this bike makes it so I can go bicycling. So it gets people out biking where they couldn't before. So and the price is certainly reasonable. I mean, e-bikes can run pretty expensive, so this is a reasonable price, and you're really not sacrificing quality, I don't think. So, okay. If you got any questions, you can put them down in the comments below, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Check out the original review. Just click on the link that's in the description section. Alrighty, until next time, happy camping. Bye. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.